Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating English word. Today's word is comfort. What does it mean to be comfortable? Well, comfort, as a noun, refers to a feeling of ease, relief from distress, or a state of physical ease and freedom from pain or constraint. It's that cozy feeling when you're wrapped in a warm blanket on a cold day, or the sense of reassurance you get from a friend during a difficult time. Essentially, it's about being free from hardship and experiencing a sense of well-being. Now, let's dive deeper and explore some synonyms for comfort. One common synonym is ease. For example, the soft music brought a sense of ease to the room. Another is well-being. Regular exercise contributes to overall well-being. We can also use the word relief. Imagine saying, the pain medication provided significant relief. Another good synonym is contentment. She found contentment in her simple life. And finally, consider the word pleasure. He took great pleasure in reading a good book. So, ease, well-being, relief, contentment, and pleasure are all great alternatives to comfort, each with its own subtle nuance. Let's now look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of comfort. The most obvious antonym is discomfort. A sentence using it could be, the hard chair caused considerable discomfort. Another antonym is distress. For example, the news caused her great distress. We can also use the word agitation. Her agitation was clear to see. Another contrast is pain. He experienced intense pain after the injury. And lastly, consider the word misery. They lived a life of misery. So, discomfort, distress, agitation, pain, and misery all represent the opposite of that cozy, easy feeling of comfort. Now, how can we use comfort in everyday life? Well, think about offering words of comfort to a friend who's going through a tough time. You might say, I hope you find some comfort in knowing that I'm here for you. Or you might talk about the comfort foods you enjoy when you're feeling down. Like, pizza is my ultimate comfort food after a long day. Also, think about phrases like stepping out of your comfort zone, which means trying something new and challenging. You can also use it to describe physical states, like this sofa offers unparalleled comfort. Let's look at some more usage examples. She sought comfort in her faith. He found comfort in the arms of his family. The doctor administered medication to provide comfort to the patient. The warmth of the fire brought comfort on a cold winter's night. It's important to provide comfort to those who are grieving. They design the airplane seats with passenger comfort in mind. The therapist helped him find comfort in his own skin. The old blanket was a source of comfort to the child. The familiar scent of her grandmother's perfume gave her comfort. Knowing that she had done her best provided some comfort, even though she didn't win. So, as you can see, comfort is a versatile word that can be used in a variety of contexts, from describing physical sensations to emotional states. We've covered the definition of comfort, explored its synonyms like ease, well-being, relief, contentment, and pleasure, and contrasted it with antonyms such as discomfort, distress, agitation, pain, and misery. We've also looked at how comfort is used in everyday conversations and expressions. I hope this episode has helped you gain a better understanding of the word comfort. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and continue learning English. And now for your homework. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word comfort and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to read your examples. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.